What's up, Natty Dads? We are in week 2 of the maintenance phase, and for breakfast, I am having white rice, broccoli, and ground turkey. I didn't really have time to make like a proper eggs breakfast this morning because I was kind of on the go. So I just took my meal prep that I usually have for lunch and I just put it in a bowl and we're having that for breakfast. I'm not the kind of person that has to eat breakfast food in order to feel like I'm having breakfast. I can eat this at any time of the day and feel fine. One of the things I've started doing during the maintenance phase is eating breakfast, which is not what I usually do. If you saw any of my calorie deficit vlog, I would pretty much just skip breakfast and do intermittent fasting. This helped me a lot with reducing how many calories I eat naturally and not fighting hunger 24/7. But I have to say, this maintenance phase and including breakfast has been awesome, which changes my opinion a little bit. And this is why I think it's so important to be flexible with your appetite, your diet, your eating style, all this stuff. You should always adapt to what you get the best response from in that moment or for that time. And don't be afraid to switch it up or abandon something that isn't working anymore. But I was married to intermittent fasting for a really long time. It made me feel optimal most of the time, but then there were some days where I'd wake up and be like, man, I could really use a meal. But I would mentally stick to the whole, no, I got to intermittent fast. This is better for me. And I don't think that's a good way to do it, but that's the way I did it. And in some cases you will have to, fight through it, because if you've got a limited amount of calories and you know yourself and you're like, well, I have to eat at night or I don't, because I don't want to go to bed hungry, so I'll skip breakfast and be miserable in the morning. You got to make that trade-off. But with having more calories, being in maintenance and eating breakfast, I've just noticed a huge increase in happiness. I don't know if you guys know anything about that. I don't know anything about it. So yeah, anyway, I'm just doing a quick little check-in. Maintenance has been great so far, really feeling good. And yeah, I'll see you in the next vlog.